Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night to say the least. Today will be a very sad slumber vlog because there is nothing exciting to report apart from we have life. That is exciting. Let me just tell you guys what's good. I'm just gonna backtrack from yesterday because yesterday I didn't vlog, so let me just give you a rundown of what happened. Yesterday I woke up as usual to do my school run and when I woke up, babe was already off to work, and the minute I look at Tyler, I know something wasn't right. He just looked sad. He looked sick, and my instinct I tell is like Almighty bless me with a special gift that I'm really not taking it serious and I need to. My instinct told me that do not send Tyler to school, but knowing Tyler, he loves school, and this happened before where he doesn't look 100 and I send him to school and he managed the day. So I said, all right, let me ask him if he wants to stay home or if he wants to go to school. But asking Tyler a question like that wasn't so smart on my part. I said, Pumpkin, you want to go to school or you want to stay home? Of course he said he wants to go to school. Typical Tyler. So I get him ready, and when I was getting him ready, he said to me, Mama, I didn't eat my breakfast. Not Tyler at all. Mama, I didn't eat my breakfast. Why you didn't eat your breakfast? He doesn't feel for it. That's not Tyler. By the way, this is his breakfast right now. Plate of pancake and honey. Let me go give him this and finish tell you guys the story. Come, Ty.
Did you make a lot?
This is everything that I made.
Everything that you
Yeah. Eat up. So where I was, he said that he didn't eat his breakfast. So when I checked his plate before I finished getting him ready, I realized that his toast was still there, his tea was still there. He probably take one bite of his toast. So I'm like, no, I cannot send it to school like this. You have to eat something. So I said, okay, let me give him a glass of orange juice mixed with some honey because I realized that he's a cold that's coming on. So I said, let her give him that. After he drank that off, he said, Mama, I would like to have some green juice. So of course you guys know me that I make my green juice every morning. I make my green juice and then I give him some. Eat, Pumpkin, eat. And then I give him some and he drink that off. And I said, okay, that will hold him until 10 a.m. when they give him the first snack at school before lunch. When I get him ready, he looked fresh and he looked like he would have managed out the day. But in my head, I still wasn't. Anyway, we walked to school and he was pretty quiet along the way. The chatty Tyler was pretty quiet, and he said he's gonna enjoy his day and tell me his affirmations he normally repeat in the morning. He's gonna enjoy his day, listen to his teacher, be nice, yada yada yada. Okay, drop him at school and he went in. I see that he went in. On my way home, I sent babe a text and I said, Tyler doesn't look so well, so I won't be surprised if his school call to get in today in the day. I got back home. Sarah fell asleep and I took that opportunity to get a killer workout in. And when I tell you that it's the best workout I've ever gotten done in a long time because Sarah slept and I did my full run, I did my full weight, and I did my full ab work. Fine. I'm like, yes girl, I even went to shower before Sarah woke up. So that was good. Tyler, calm. So all that done, and then I gave Sarah lunch, and just as I'm about to pick Sarah up from finishing up lunch, at exactly 12 o'clock I hear the house phone ringing. So normally when the house phone ring, I don't pick it up because it's usually commercial if it's not babe calling. So I didn't pick up the house phone. I used my cell phone to call babe to say, is you trying to reach me? Because when he's trying to reach me, sometimes my cell phone don't ring, and he would call the house phone to check on me. But when I call babe say, no, it's not me calling. While babe and I on the phone, babe say, honey, a call coming in, let me hang up. Babe hung up from me, and I didn't think anything of it. In about 2 minutes he called me back, and he said he's laughing. So I said, what is it? He said, you have to go and pick up Tyler from school. Tyler's school just called. So it was Tyler's school calling me on the house phone, and because I didn't answer the call, babe. So just like I had messaged baby in the morning and said they might call me to pick up Tyler from school, so said, so done. Sometimes I'm to just respect my instinct, man, that inner feeling that Almighty bless me with that I'm not capitalizing on. Anytime I do not follow my instinct, it come back around and show me that if I had followed it, I would have been right many times. So I hurry and just I didn't even change Sarah's messy up clothes with her food. We just went straight to pick him up right away. Just throwing her warm feet, and we went and got him at school. When I went and got him, his teacher said that he's not eating. He didn't eat at snack time, and he didn't eat at
canteen.
He didn't eat at canteen. You hear in the background he's eating now, so he's listening to me. He didn't eat at canteen. So I said, alright, let's go home and take care of my boy. Come home, and I made him a stock full of vegetable soup. The soup consists of carrots, potato, green beans, broccoli, zucchini, and a little bit of salt and a little bit of bouillon, and I cook that and blend it up, and it tastes so good. And I put it in a small bowl, and he ate it. And when I was gonna stop feeding him, he said, mama, more, I want more. So he ate off the entire bowl of soup. So I said, okay, that's very good. When I finished giving him the soup, I said, you want anything else? You want yogurt or you want kiwi? He said he want kiwi. But I wasn't thinking about the acidity in the kiwi. And because his stomach was empty all day, that wouldn't be a good idea. I give him 2 kiwi, cut them up and giving him in a little bowl, and he ate off the kiwi, all of it. I said, okay, that's good, you're eating. And he was sitting there, and I came in the kitchen to start making my lunch because it was lunchtime. Start making my lunch, and I look at him in the couch, and I said, he doesn't look so good. I said, are you okay? He said, no mama, I'm not feeling well. I said, okay, walk and come to me in the kitchen. He took a while to get up, like a few seconds to get up. He get up and he made it from the couch.
And then
he made it from the couch to the side of the table and went down on the floor. And by the time I leave the kitchen and go and pick him up, I was gonna take him to the bathroom because he have a time where when he wants to vomit, he start making this sound. He always say, ah. So he start making that sound. So as a mom, I know is the vomit he wanted to vomit. I said, okay, let me take him to the bathroom. By the time we start walking from the table, we just make it right to the side of the kitchen here, and he just start letting it out, and he vomit all the soup and all the kiwi right back up. After he vomited, TMI, after he vomited, he said, okay mama, I'm feeling better now. So I gave him some medicine and rub him up with some Vicks and put him to bed. And this was about, by this time it was about 1 o'clock, and he went to sleep, and Tyler slept until 6 p.m. He didn't wake up until 6 p.m. so he got a good rest in. Tyler, go back to the table. Take up your plate and go back to the table to eat. So now that I'm thinking back, what I should have done was just give him some broth alone to drink, and then in the evening I give him something like heavy, like the heavy soup. But anyway, that happened, and he slept and he woke up and he said he wanted dinner, and I give him some chicken and rice, and he ate that. He ate a little of that, and he went right back to bed. Now it's the next day. He woke up, he asked for his breakfast, his usual toast and tea. His papa made that before he went to work this morning, and he ate it all. And when now I am up for my breakfast, and he said he wants more breakfast, and he said he wants, Tyler, go back to the table please with your plates. He said he wants pancake and syrup, so he's having pancake and honey just now that I showed you guys. So 3 of us now is in this house coughing because I had to take care of him so much yesterday. So my throat is not feeling so 100 at the moment. Sarah, on the other hand, she won't escape it because they won't stay away from each other. So Sarah is having a little runny nose, so I'm keeping an eye on her. I gave her medicine and I flush her nose, but she's just having a little runny nose and a little cough, nothing bad. So that's happening to Sarah. My throat is coming on, so I know I'm getting it. Tyler, on the other hand, doesn't look so bad as he did yesterday right now. This morning he said, Mama, my stomach is feeling better. And baby's off to work. Baby's the only good one right now. So I hope baby will continue to stay good. But yeah, Sarah is calling right now. Sarah wants mama. I'm coming, princess. So that's what I have been going through for the past few hours. When life hits, you just gotta do what you gotta do, honey. So today, this vlog is just gonna be talking to you guys because I'll be taking care of my babies all day today. My hands will be tired, my hands will be full. Let me show you Tyler and Sarah. There he is. Hi baby. Ty, how you feel?
Better.
You feel better?
Yes.
Alright. What you eating?
Pancake and honey.
Pancake and honey. Alright, enjoy pancake and honey. Say hello to the face.
Hello, babe.
So you're home today and maybe you'll be home Monday too, okay? Maybe no school Monday.
Okay.
We'll see how you feel over the weekend. Okay.
So, Mom, it's February.
Still goofy as ever. So you know he's not too bad. Right, Mamacita? Alright. And this little one is here. Oh,
One
see?
day after February.
Yeah, the sneezing starts for her.
0 day after February, Mama.
The sneezing starts for Sarah. Also right now going to squeeze some fresh orange juice for both Tyler and Sarah. And let them drink that. Look at her on the food.
Use some honey for me and with milk honey for Sarah.
You want honey in yours?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. Oh, I love honey. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze some fresh orange juice for these two.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna squeeze the orange in this and give it to them right now. And myself gonna have some green juice. I'm not sure if I'm gonna work out today. I might not run, but I might skip. Let's see when they take naps if I can get a little workout done. But otherwise, your girl might not get anything done today because I need to take care of my babies. No, you want some orange juice? You want some orange juice? Yeah? Yeah? Let's go have some orange juice. These oranges don't have much juice in them.
Ooh.
But once I get a little, that'll go a long way. You don't want any more?
Yes.
Okay. You can have it later if you want. What's wrong? Oh. Mama is doing something right now, so you have to take care of yourself. I'm making you orange juice, girl. Look. Orange juice. Orange juice is in here for you, look. Ta-da! All for you.
And for her,
You want orange juice?
we want orange juice.
See orange juice ready? Yeah. Look at her, you see your face? You want the orange? Oh.
Little papa.
Drink now. Good girl. Bravo. Alright, let's make brother on. Alright, I got a glass for Tyler, so that's good. Gonna put some honey in it and let him drink it off. He's so excited to get the honey. Come here, so.
That's okay.
Come on. Come here. Take it up. Drink all of it.
All?
Yes, all. You can put down some on the table and have it after if you can't have everything right now, okay? Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take care of my stomach right now because I'm hungry, shawty. This girl is a girl of my own heart. I have green juice in this cup. Look at Sarah and the green juice. She love it. Look at her mouth. She love it. Breaking her into green juice from early. Jesus, she don't want to give it back. Wait, come. My God. No more, man. So that's what's happening around here. We are just gonna take it one step at a time and go through the motions of today. So just giving you guys a little life update about what's been going on with us. And that's the reason why you guys getting a slumber vlog today. So yeah, let me go on and take care of my babies. Hope you guys are doing well and have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.